Hello guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you my DIY onion hair oil. This is a great oil, you guys. It promotes hair growth. It's a magical oil for promoting hair regrowth. Using onion oil on a regular basis will effectively prevent and treat baldness. So basically all I'm doing here is just preparing the onion for cooking, I guess, because you need to cook it. So this is what I'm going to be doing, just chopping it up. I'm pretty sure we all know how to chop up onions. So yeah, while I'm doing that, I'll just give you some of the benefits of onion hair oil. So onion oil is rich in sulfur, which prevents breakage, split ends, and thinning of hair. Other nutrients present in onion prevents oxidation of hair. It also maintains the regular pH of the hair, preventing premature graying. Onion juice also ensures that your hair is well nourished, and due to the presence of sulfur, the quality of hair follicles are also improved. It nourishes your scalp and improves the blood circulation, thus ensuring thicker and stronger hair. Regular use of onion oil on your crown area will effectively promote hair regrowth in that area and will also prevent any bacterial infections or dandruff. And as you can see, I am adding some grapeseed oil. You can use coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil, but I will encourage you to use coconut oil because it's the best one for this. So I was using grapeseed oil because I just thought I should use that one instead. And yeah, just blending this because I want this to be as smooth as possible. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me transferring it into a pot. So basically what I did was use half a cup of grapeseed oil and put it into a pot, and then transfer the blended onion into it, and then I left it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, keeping an eye on it, making sure it doesn't burn or stick to the pot or anything like that. And then moving on, I just grab my strainer and then just strain the oil out of it. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here, just squeezing the oil out of this situation here that you see. So yeah, some more benefits of this oil is onion oil is also useful if you want to increase the length of your hair. It is a cost saving solution which will make your hair stronger, healthier, also will promote quicker hair growth. So if you want some quick hair growth, get some onion oil for your hair. Like, make sure you're using it on all those problematic areas on a daily basis. Make sure you use it as a pre-poo, you use it as a leave-in. I mean, it has the onion smell to it, so if you don't like that smell, you can always add an essential oil. So yeah, I didn't add anything to it because I'm just like, meh, I'm all right with it. But yeah, so as you can see, just squeezing that oil, and then I transferred it to this bottle, and then in the next coming clip I will show you how I use the oil. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy and listen to the music. So here I'm just using the oil. Obviously you don't need too much, it depends on why you're using it. If you're using it just for regular use, then you don't need too much, just a few drops in your problematic areas or just on your scalp entirely, and then massage it into your scalp. Give yourself a good massage, and that's what I'm doing here. So you can do this on a regular basis, and yeah, apply it, or you can use it as a pre-poo where you apply a generous amount and then you wash it out with shampoo as normal. But if you're just using it like small bits, you don't really need to wash it out. But yeah, so once I'm done, I just place my head wrap back on, and yeah, hopefully you learned something from this. And if you're going to try and make this oil, let me know in the comment section below if you will try it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.